KitKat Ghost Toast. What? KitKat Ghost Toast? All right, let's check it out. Welcome to Sunny Reviews. I'm Sunny. What do I do? See it, smell it, taste it, and rate it. All right, look at this thing. I mean, just when you thought they came out with every possible flavor KitKat, boom, they come out with this. What the heck is this? Ghost Toast is crisp wafers in cinnamon toast flavored cream. I don't even know what the cinnamon toast is. I never had cinnamon toast. And this Casper the Friendly Ghost on there. All right, let's give this a try. First off, just a little interesting. Just to me, this is just like every year, the Halloween stuff comes out earlier and earlier. I believe in July, I started, maybe even the end of June, I started seeing Halloween stuff out. All right, I mean, I started seeing the decorations at Lowe's. I started seeing the Halloween candy, the decorations at Walmart, and at the department stores, and at the Walgreens and CVS. And I was just like, why? Why can't they just wait? Okay, the back to school stuff was out way early also. I mean, come on. I mean, I remember when I was a kid, I saw that back to school stuff. I said, that's the end. That's the end of summer. And it was like Depression City. Nobody wants summer to end, right? All right, anyway, here we are. Look at this orange color. What do I like about this orange color? Orange. Gators, blue and orange, right? All right, there we go. It has some redeeming qualities. And here it is, the KitKat. What the heck is this called again? Ghost Tours. The Ghost Toast. All right, here we go. Let's crack it open. There it is. Give me a piece. What is that? Give me a break. Give me a break. Break it off a piece of that KitKat bar or something like that. All right, here we go. Okay, interesting. I'm not sure it's cinnamon, but all right, let's try it. Here we go. Okay, I do taste the cinnamon. Cinnamon. I taste the cinnamon. You know what I'm tasting. It looks like it's chocolate. So the cream is on the outside. The cinnamon cream is on the outside, but traditional chocolate KitKat on the inside. So there's two ways to eat KitKat: the normal way, or the layers. Which one do you do? Are you a layer, or you yum 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 yum? Layers or yum 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 yum? Okay, it's different. Okay, is it better than a traditional chocolate KitKat? Heck no. It's just different. I mean, what a fun job it would be to work at KitKat, where they have their executive board meetings and like, guys, I want to brainstorm. Let's come up with some ideas of some new KitKat flavors. Go! And then you just start going around the room. Skunk flavor. No, not skunk flavor. And some guy yells out, cinnamon toast KitKat flavor. They're all like, yay! All right. So, KitKat is made by Hershey, by the way. Milton Hershey would be proud. Is there any cinnamon in the ingredients? The first ingredient is sugar, then a whole bunch of other stuff. And is there cinnamon in here? That's all I want to know. The print is very tiny. Milk, syrup, solids, blah, blah, blah. Natural and artificial flavor, artificial color. PGFR is an ingredient. I don't know what that is. Salt, yeast, baking soda. I don't see the word cinnamon in the ingredients, but it says natural flavor. That could be cinnamon, but who knows what it could be. Natural flavor could be anything. Could be donkey duty. We don't know what natural flavor is because it doesn't specify. And that's why I'm one beef with the Food and Drug Administration. Make these guys tell us what they're putting in our mouth. I want to know what natural flavor is. What is it? Donkey duty? Alligator piss? What is it? Anyway, have a break of a KitKat. Anyway, so there you go. KitKat on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best. 5.7. All right, this is never something I would get again. I only got it because it's different, it's unique, it's one of a kind, it's limited, so I gave it a try, but I wouldn't get it again. And regular chocolate is always going to be better than this kind of stuff. But it's worth a shot if you want to check it off your bucket list. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a sunny day. Later, Gator.
Hey, it's over. Go home. But before you do, if you'd like to see our next video, like and subscribe and click the little bell notification on YouTube, or like and follow on Facebook. Now go home.